Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. There are many signs of joy with the many Easter stories that we will be hearing these coming days or season of Easter. There is the empty tomb, the Easter news or the Easter kerygma, and most of all, the risen Lord. But to sum all of these signs of Easter joy, these are experiences of having someone in your midst. When someone is in your midst, you are at peace. When someone is near you, you are encouraged, hopefully. When someone is in your midst, you are given the strength. And as a part of the Easter grace, Peter stood in the midst of these people, filled with courage, filled with inspiration, filled with strength. Just by standing by and near them, nabigyan sila ng lakas ng loob. Nalinaw ulit ang kanilang isip na ito pala si Jesus na nabuhay na magmuli. When Jesus stood as well in the midst of His disciples who were in trouble, He gave them no other than but peace. His presence was also a gift of consolation. Naroon siya sa piling ng kanyang mga takot, abala at nangangambang alagad para magbigay ng lakas. One of the gifts that Pope Francis left us, the Church, is this recent synod on synodality. And when we say synodality, this is where the Church recalls her mission to walk with her people. A church in the midst of people. A church with the people. At dahil kasama, nakapagbibigay ng lakas ang presensya ng simbahan at ng bawat isa. It is Easter to have someone in your midst. There is joy when someone is with you. Just a presence of someone gives you hope and happiness. We imitate Peter and Jesus today. Be in the midst of someone today. Sumama, makilakad, be present. Our being in the midst gives courage and peace to His people. We know that many of them are still in Good Friday, and they need someone to stand by their midst so that they can also experience Easter. Be in someone's midst. It is Easter to have someone sharing peace when it is sad. It is Easter to have someone sharing courage when there is none. It is Easter to stand in one midst and share hope that comes from the risen Lord.